Do your pipes and drains need a thorough inspection? Call Mr. Rooter Plumbing today for a plumbing video camera inspection. We use a state-of-the-art plumbing video camera to examine your sewer and drainage system. This allows us to quickly identify piping problems under the ground or floor. Plumbing video cameras can identify causes of frequent drainage stoppages, help with home inspections, and diagnose problems with your sewer and drain system. To schedule your video camera plumbing inspection, call Mr. Rooter Plumbing today.